दोस्तों नमस्कार। आज एक महत्वपूर्ण सूचना आपको देनी है, इसीलिए ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। हुआ ये है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एक कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन फाइल हुआ है, जिसमें बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट के 2 जजेस के खिलाफ और वहाँ के एक एनसीपी के लीडर के खिलाफ और रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट के खिलाफ हुआ है। ये समाचार एक वेबसाइट में छपा है। उस वेबसाइट को मैं आपके सामने पढ़ देता हूँ। ये वेबसाइट का नाम है वेरिडिक्टम। हेडिंग है कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन मूव्ड बिफोर सुप्रीम कोर्ट अगेंस्ट 2 सिटिंग बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट जजेस एंड एन एनसीपी एमएलए. A contempt petition has been filed by Rashid Khan Pathan before the Supreme Court against the sitting Bombay High Court judges Justice Revati, Mohite, Dere and Justice Sharmila, Deshmukh. The contempt petition also arrays Hasan Mushrif, a National Congress Party NCP MLA and Registrar General of Bombay High Court as respondent number 3 and 4. The petition is filed under Rule 3 of the Rules to Regulate Proceedings for Contempt of the Supreme Court 1975, read with Article 129 and 142 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner alleges that Justice Mohite Dere failed to recuse herself from hearing cases of her family members and are directly or indirectly involved. रिक्यूज का मतलब होता है कि अगर किसी जज को ये लगता है कि उस केस में उसका कोई पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट है, उसके कोई फैमिली मेंबर का इंटरेस्ट है, कोई रिलेटिव्स का इंटरेस्ट है या उसके किसी को वर्कर का, फ्रेंड का इंटरेस्ट है, तो वो उस केस से सुनने से मना कर सकता है. The petitioner also alleges that she adjudicated many matters concerning the National Congress Party, even though her sister Vandana Chauhan is a member of parliament from the same party. वंदना चौहान बटोती मोहर डेरे की बहन है और वो एनसीपी की एमपी हैं. The petitioner alleges that the bench of Justice Revati and Justice Sharmila Deshmukh in a criminal writ petition before them granted relief to NCP MLA Hasan Mushrif with respect to an FIR despite availability of crucial prima facie material with the investigating officer. It is also alleged that the bench entertained allegations of malafide against BJP spokesperson Kirti Somaiya in his absence. The contempt petition alleges that Justice Dere has committed contempt by acting in defiance of many settled legal principles by the Supreme Court and granted bail in the case of Chanda Kochar versus CBI to the person accused under economic offence running into thousands of crore with an unreasoned order. It is also alleged that through a non-speaking order, the judge granted interim bail to an accused MLA charged with offence under Section 307 IPC. It is alleged that judges adopted the modus operandi of passing non-speaking order and deliberately not mentioning the serious charges against the person seeking relief. The petitioner also alleges that Justice Dere is in habit of deliberately committing gross contempt of judgments of the Supreme Court and has laid several alleged instances where the ratio laid down by Supreme Court has not been adhered to. Contempt petition reads that this honorable court had time and again warned all the judges, the authorities and citizens that any disregard or the binding judgment cannot be taken lightly and the guilty should be punished because no one is above the law. Further, that under these circumstances and in order to preserve the majesty and dignity of the court, it is just and necessary that appropriate strict actions should be taken against respondent number 1, 2, and 3. The petitioner, in support of his allegation, has relied on various judgments such as State of Chandigarh and others versus Aman Kumar Singh and others 2023 SCC Online SC 198, Ram Pratap Yadav versus Mitra Sen Yadav 2031 SCC 15. यहाँ पर ये मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो साइटेशन होती है ये 2003 मीन्स साल की बात करता है वन मीन्स वॉल्यूम की बात करता है, एससीसी मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट केसेस की बात करता है, और ये 15 जो होता है पेज नंबर होता है। गुलबरी नागेश्वर राव वर्सेस आंध्र प्रदेश 1959 supplementary in bracket 1 SCR Supreme Court cases reporter 319 page number State of Punjab and Devinder Pal Singh Bullar 2011 14 SCC 770 Mineral Development versus State of Bihar 1962 SCR 609 Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association versus Union of India 2065 SCC CS Karnan in reference 2017C. Karnan was जज ऑफ मद्रास हाई कोर्ट, उनके खिलाफ एन मिनी मोर। ये है राशिद खान पठान वर्सेस जस्टिस रेवती मोहर डेरे एंड अदर्स, डायरी नंबर 12076, डायरी नंबर 12076 ऑफ 2023। प्लीज नोट डाउन टू फॉलो द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ दिस केस। डायरी नंबर ये है। अब मैं आपको बताता हूं कि इस केस में फर्दर डेवलपमेंट क्या हुए थे। फर्दर डेवलपमेंट ये हुआ है कि इसके बाद बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने रेवती मोहिते डेरे और उनकी सिस्टर जज जो हैं उनका असाइनमेंट चेंज कर दिया है। ये देखिए, ये टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का, इंडिया टुडे का रिपोर्ट है। बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट चेंजेस द असाइनमेंट ऑफ फ्यू जजेस एंड बेंचेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट द पार्शियल मॉडिफिकेशन टू द रोस्टर विल कम इनटू इफेक्ट फ्रॉम मार्च 27। आज से चालू हो गया है। अर्लियर टू रोस्टर हैड बीन चेंज मिडवे विदाउट असाइनिंग एनी रीजन। Bombay High Court bench of Justice Revati Dere and Sharmila Deshmukh, which was until now holding the assignment of quashing FIR and had dealt with cases related to ex-ICIC Bank's chief Chandra Kochar and her husband and some NCP leaders like Hasan Mushrif, will no longer be dealing with such cases. इसके फुल स्टोरी ये है। The bench of Justice S.B. Sukre and M. Sathe will now be taking over this assignment. The partial modification in the roster will come into effect from March 27. However, this is not the first time that this has happened. ये इंडिया टुडे की आदत है, वो बैलेंसिंग करता रहता है। India Today will never report the exact fact to the public, which I have reported in the earlier part of my video. Earlier, two without reason being stated roster have been changed midway. The master of the roster is the acting chief justice of Bombay High Court. वो वहां पर हैं अभी, जो इसको देख रहे हैं। With the partial modification, the matter being heard by Justice Sukre's bench have now been given to the bench headed by Justice Dere. A small portion of this assignment under the bench of Justice K.R. Sriram and Rajesh Patil has also been given to the bench of Justice Dere. During the time Justice Dere bench had heard the Kochar and Mushrif case, some lawyer had filed an intervention petition against the accused getting any relief. The bench had rejected the intervention and in Kochar case also imposed costs on the petitioner. While granting relief to Mushrif, ये NCP का MLA जो है, in a money laundering case that he is facing, the bench headed by Justice Dere had also initiated an investigation against BJP leader Kirit Somaiya. Justice Dere bench, while rejecting former Mumbai top Pradeep Sharma's bail, had come down heavily on the National Investigating Agency (NIA), pointing to a clearing loophole in their case, and had also granted relief to Shiv Sena UBT MLC Anil Parab in money laundering case and related to the Dapoli land scam. ये एक समाचार है जिसको आपको पढ़ करके मैंने सुनाया है। अब मैं इसको शेयर भी कर देता हूं। देखिए, ये टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया टुडे का रिपोर्ट है। जो मैंने पढ़ा था वही मैं इसको घुमा देता हूं। बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट चलिए, अब इसके बाद और रिलेटेड न्यूज़ बताता हूँ आपको, जस्टिस डेरे ने क्या किया है और बताता हूँ। ये देखिए, ये 1 वीक पहले की बात है। इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स की न्यूज़ है, इसको शेयर करता हूँ। ये अनिल परब साहब उद्धव सरकार में मंत्री थे। इनके में क्या बोल रहे हैं ये नहीं करने दे रहा है। मैं दूसरा बोलता हूँ, कोई पेज और। देखिए, Bombay High Court on Monday extended till March 23rd the interim protection of no aggressive action against Shiv Sena UVT leader Anil Twarab in the Enforcement Directorate of money laundering case connected to alleged irregularities involving a resort at Dapoli in coastal Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Parab, a former state minister, has filed a petition in the High Court seeking to quash the ED case and had sought interim protection from the arrest. On March 14th, a bench headed by Justice Revati Dere posted the plea for hearing on March 20 and accepted the oral assurance given by Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh appearing for ED that no coercive action would be taken against Parab till then. On Monday, the bench headed by Justice Dere was not available, following which Parab counsel Amit Desai mentioned the matter before. Another bench headed by Justice G.S. Kulkarni, Desai requested that the protection of no coercive action will be extended should be extended for next few more days. Said his earlier assurance continued till March 23rd. The bench accepted Singh's assurance and posted the matter for hearing on Thursday before the bench headed by Justice Dere. According to ED, Pune resident Vibhas Sathe had purchased agricultural land in the Poli in Ratnagiri district in 2011. He sold the land to Parab in 2017 for 1.80 crore, although the sale deed was executed in 2019. The anti-money laundering agency claimed that out of the total deal amount of 80 lakhs was paid in cash, which was handed over to Sathe by Parab AD Sarand Kadam on behalf of Parab. Subsequently, Sai Resort was constructed on the said plot in the Poli and Parab sold it to Kadam. ED alleged that Parab and Kadam had made Sathe make an application to convert the land uses from agriculture to non-agriculture. Kadam had pressured Revenue Department official and obtained illegal permission on September 12, 2017. The ED said, apart from this, Kadam in connivance with Parab caused detrimental damage to the environment by constructing side resort. The ED added, this is because of the absence of any sewage and other municipal this. ये एक चीज है। अब मैं आपको इनकी और करामात दिखाता हूँ, इन मैडम की। ये देखिए, किरीट सुमैया के बारे में क्या बोल रही हैं। ये लाइव ला का रिपोर्ट है, देखिए। Bombay High Court asked District Judge to prove how BJP cadet Sumaya got copies of judicial order FIR in case against NCP Hasan Mushrif. Bombay High Court on Friday ordered a judicial inquiry to find out how BJP leader Kirit Sumaya obtained a copy of judicial order passed against NCP leader Hasan Mushrif hours after the order was pronounced. The bench of Justice so-and-so asked the principal district judge to conduct an inquiry and it also directed the investigating officer to explain how Sumaya procured the FIR copy against Mushrif before it was submitted to the magistrate. Significantly, the bench granted interim relief to Mushrif and directed that no coercive action be taken against him on the FIR filed in Kolhapur on February so-and-so. During the hearing, senior advocate Abod Panda, along with advocate Prashant Patil for Mushrif, informed the bench about lightning speed at which Somaya procured a copy of an order against Mushrif's three sons. A Pune court issued process against the three men on a complaint by the Registrar of Companies on April 1, 2022 between 5:30 p.m. and Somaya tweeted the order at 7:30 p.m. The accused received a certified copy 4 days later on so-and-so, they said. In another instance, Somaya tweeted the Kolhapur FIR against Mushrif on so-and-so just a day after it was registered, whereas a copy was submitted to the magistrate on so-and-so. We direct the principal judge, ये order बोल रहा है High Court का, we direct the principal judge to inquire as to how said order was made available on some day and whether the same could have been made available without issuing a certified copy of this. Additional Prosecutor General to file affidavit on when the FIR was uploaded and it was not made. All these are details we sent to the magistrate. Justice Dere said while dictating the order. Regarding his prayer for no coercive action, Mushrif plea against the recent developments which have now, I will show you that who is this Revati Mohire Dere. देखिए Revati Mohire Dere is a judge in the Bombay High Court of India. She had written a number of significant judgments in relation to the criminal procedures and police investigation in India, including cases concerning press freedom report on this death penalty sentences and for repealed offences and accountability. Dere was born and educated in Pune, Maharashtra, and studied law at the Symbiosis College, Pune. She obtained LLM from Cambridge University on a Commonwealth Trust scholarship. Dere practiced law at Bombay High Court and also served as prosecutor to the government of Maharashtra. She was appointed as additional judge on 21st June 2013 and made a permanent judge in 2016. She is currently still serving in this. Dere has been part of several branches and this Dere and another judge ordered the government of Maharashtra to take stick against 2000. She was part of a bench holding the provision of this and that. ये इसके judgment के बारे में Wikipedia लिख रहा है. Now I will go to the Bombay High Court site. Bombay High Court site में क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये है, देखिए. After completing LLM, Justice Dere joined the chamber of, देखिए, collegium system. After completing this, joined the chamber of her father, eminent senior advocate Vijay Rao M. Mohite at Pune, and thereafter the chamber of barrister Raja M. Bhosle in Mumbai. Justice Dere practiced in the High Court on the criminal side and civil and constitutional side, and also in the session court. Worked as assistant government pleader, Writ Cell, High Court, Appellate Side, Mumbai, as a senior counsel, Group 1 and 2, Union of India, and as an additional public prosecutor for the Union of India in the High Court. Before her elevation, she was appointed as a government pleader and public prosecutor. Justice Dere appeared in several important matters, including PIL and this. Appointed as judges, elevated as this. Now, this was the crux of my video, which I made in order to educate the public कि जुडिशरी में क्या हो रहा है. अब देखते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन फाइल हुआ है उसके बारे में आगे जो भी डेवलपमेंट होगा मैं आपको वो बताऊँगा और आपको पूरी तरीके से समझाऊँगा कि इस केस में क्या हो रहा है। लेकिन ये आप समझ लीजिए कि जिन लोगों को आप लोग भगवान समझते हैं, वो लोग भगवान नहीं हैं। वो लोग भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं हमारी तरीके से और वो भी गलतियाँ करते हैं। इस वीडियो को अगर अच्छा लगे तो आप लाइक करें, दोस्तों यारों के साथ में सोशल मीडिया में शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद।